Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to the device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you get any informative video on this channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Is your extender not working properly for a few days, and is not able to provide the right internet speed? Then don't worry, you have come to the right place. In today's video we will learn how to reset the Orbi 770 RBE773 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Orbi Wi-Fi mesh system. Resetting the Orbi 770 RBE773 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system is necessary to fix connection issues, remove old settings, or prepare it for a new network setup. It helps start fresh if you're facing problems or changing owners. Ensure the router is powered on and the LED is stable, not blinking due to a firmware update or booting. Locate the reset button. The reset button is a small, recessed hole on the back or underside of the Orbi router, RBE770 unit. It's labeled Reset. Insert the paperclip into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding until the power LED starts flashing amber or red, depending on firmware version. This indicates the reset is in progress. Release the button when you see this LED change. The router will reboot automatically. This may take 2 to 5 minutes. The LED will change to solid white, pulsing white, or similar, indicating it's ready for new setup. The router will reboot automatically. This may take 2 to 5 minutes. The LED will change to solid white, pulsing white, or similar, indicating it's ready for new setup. Once reset, use the Orbi app or visit http://orbilogin.com to set up the system as if it's brand new. You'll create a new Wi-Fi name, password, admin login, and sync satellites again. To confirm the factory reset was successful, you'll see the initial setup screen in the Orbi app or web browser. The router and satellites will not show any previous network names. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always help you and solve your problem as soon as possible. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more useful updates.